Hi students, today we will discuss about the one of the important question of intellectual property rights. Now we will discuss the intellectual property rights in a introduction part. So the term property means some tangible material, real or physical property that has some fo- form and which is either movable or immovable property. So now intellectual property means it can be in movable or immovable property. It is also in intellectual property. So protection to such properties is granted by law of the land where the property is located. So it is also in land. It can be in land. It can be located in one place. In next one, intellectual property is derived from the term industrial property, which includes, it is also in term industrial property, which includes in a trademarks, design marks, service marks, and commercial names and designations, including indications of source and applications of origin and the protection against the unfair competition. So the main objective of intellectual of in Paris Convention provides that the protection of the protection of industrial property like patents, utility models, industrial designs, trademarks, and service marks, etc. So it is also an introduction to intellectual property right. In next one, definition given to the in intellectual property rights. So the property that is a result of human activity or human creativity, such as literature, songs, new invention, advertising, slogans, etc. It is called as an intellectual property rights. Next, now we will discuss about the some characteristics of intellectual property rights. So in first one, literacy, artist and scientific works. In next one, performance of artist. In third one, invention of all fields. In next one, scientific discoveries. In next one, industrial designs and trademarks and service marks. In next one, protection against in a unfair protection against unfair competition. So it is also in characteristics of in intellectual property rights. In next one, we will discuss the in types of intellectual property rights. In first one, real property. So real property, it can be includes the land and buildings. So it is also in real properties. In next one, personal properties. The personal properties in jewelry, gold, ornaments, it can be included to in personal properties. In next one, intellectual property right. So intellectual property, it can be included in literature, songs, etc. So it is the in intellectual property rights in characteristics and types of intellectual property rights. So thanks.